Hi guys, and welcome to this week's video tutorial about basic mid-game tactics. This would be the second video introducing the topic of sacrificing material for attack. Now, if you have not seen the previous video, please do view it now. So without further ado, let us begin today's analysis. This was the position reached in a match played by Xiangqi experts. Unfortunately, not much else was given in the book. So, a quick analysis. It will be resistant to move. A quick analysis will show that red would have two chariots, two horses, one cannon. Black would have similar material with two chariots, two cannons, and one horse. Red would have the pawn advantage, 4 versus 2. Both would have a full guard. At this point in time, it will be red's turn to move. Now, the black chariot was threatening to capture the red horse. So, how would red deal with this issue? If red moved the horse to safety, he would be in a passive position. So, will it be possible for red to play a4 plus 5 to sacrifice material? And let us see. Black would capture the horse. Red will immediately deliver a check, threatening to checkmate, and thus cordoning off the trapping the black chariot. Black, and then red will now apply a fork, threatening to capture the chariot and the cannon at the same time. C7 f7 plus 4 was played. Red continued to capture material before playing c9 equals to 5 for a very brilliant attack. Red will now be threatening to checkmate with the iron bolt, forcing the king out, and Black will simply capture the advisor, and Black would have a hard time trying to put up with Red's attack. Due to the fact that Black was forced to counter Red's each and every move, he did not have any other possible options. This was not too complicated a situation for Red to calculate. Thus, this type of sacrifice has a high success rate. Red, there's not much to calculate and not much to anticipate, and if used properly, as in this example, will be a very potent attack by Red. So if you like the work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you.